Hello students, welcome to the class. Today I am going to start our next topic, that is noun and its type. First of all, let's know the definition of noun. Words which are used as the name of a person, a place, a thing, a feeling or an action is called noun words. It is also called naming words. We can say the naming words also to a noun word. In primary classes, we have read it as naming words. For examples, Ranjit, Bikaner, pen, chair, truth, honesty, all these are the word noun. So the definition of noun includes that all the objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch, smell, feel or think of. All the objects that we can see or hear, touch, taste or smell, feel or think of the object, all are comes under the noun. Let's see the type of noun. First is proper noun. Name of any particular person, place or thing is called proper noun. A name of any particular or special person or thing or place is called proper noun. We can say it personal noun also. For instance, he lives in Bikaner. Rohan is a good boy. February is the shortest month. In these examples, word Bikaner, Rohan, February, all are proper noun. A proper noun always begin with a capital letter. While we write a proper noun or personal noun, we should write the first letter is always capital. Let's see. The proper nouns are special names such as names of person, names of months, names of days, the names of famous buildings, names of countries, names of cities, names of oceans, names of rivers, names of lakes, or names of seas and mountains. When we use the particular name of any person or place or month, days, buildings, countries, cities, when we use a particular country, name of any particular country, name of any particular city or ocean or river, lakes, all are comes under the proper noun or personal noun. Let's see the next type, that is common noun. A common noun is a name given in common to every person, place or thing of same class or kind. When we use a word commonly to every person, place or thing for the same class or category, then that word is common noun word. For example, I live in city or village. Rohan is a boy. There are 12 months in a year. In these examples, the word city, village, boy, months, all are common noun. Because the word city we can use for any city. The same word village is also we can use for any village. So the word city, village, boy, months, all are common noun. These words we can use commonly for a city, a village, a boy or a month. Let's see the next type of noun, that is collective noun. When a noun stands for a collection of person or things considered as the one complete whole, it is called collective noun. When a noun word is used for a collection or group of person or things, and the whole and the group or collection is considered as a complete whole, then the word is called collective noun. For example, I purchased a bunch or bouquet of flowers. I saw a herd of cattle. Here the word bunch, bouquet or herd is collective noun. Here is a list of collective noun. A troop or army of soldiers, a crew of sailors, a bench of judges, a herd of cattle, a fleet of cars or ships, a flock of sheep or birds, a bunch of bananas, grapes, keys, a gang of thieves, robbers, a litter of pigs, puppies, a bevy of girls, a clump or cluster of trees, a pack of wolves. Here the word yellowish, all are collective noun. These words are stand for a collection, and the collection or group is considered as a whole one. Let's see the next type of noun, that is material noun. A noun word which stands for the matter or substance on which things are made is called a material noun. For example, the table is made of wood. Window panes are made of glass. Blankets are made of wool. Bricks are made of clay. Clothes are made of cotton, wool, and silk. Here the word wood, glass, wool, clay, cotton, silk, all are material noun, because these all words denote the matter or substance, so these words called material noun. All these four nouns are called concrete noun. Here we have learned four type of noun as proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun. All these four types are called concrete noun because we can see, hear, touch, taste, smell the things. So all these are material noun. All these are concrete noun. Let's see the next type of noun, that is abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name given to a quality, a state, or a concept. These are some things which can neither touch nor see, but which can only feel or think of. Name of any feeling, quality, idea, state, or concept is called abstract noun. There are some objects that there are some ideas or feelings or quality that we can't touch or see them, but we can feel or think of that feeling, that idea, that quality, or that concept. So the name of that feeling, quality, idea, concept are abstract noun. The name of that feeling, not that feeling, but the name of that feeling is called abstract noun. For example, I always speak the truth. Birbal was famous for his wisdom. The shepherd was awarded for his honesty. Here the words truth, wisdom, honesty all are abstract noun, because these all are the name of any quality, any concept, any idea. So these are abstract noun. Abstract noun are formed from an adjective as kindness from kind, honesty from honest. From verbs as obedience from obey, growth from grow. From common noun as childhood from child, slavery from slave. Though there are not any rules or norms to form an abstract noun, but however, there are some ways which may be helpful to form an abstract noun, such as by adding ness to adjectives. For example, kind, kindness, soft, softness, happy, happiness, lazy, laziness. By adding ion to verb, for example, add, addition, divide, division, repeat, repetition. By adding y, for example, honest, honesty, unite, unity. By adding ty or ity, for example, able, ability, real, reality, poor, poverty, human, humanity. By adding hood to common noun, for example, mother, motherhood, child, childhood. By adding ship to common noun, for example, friend, friendship, honor, ownership. These are some way that we can form or make abstract noun, but these are not norms and rules. So there are so much exception here in this way. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Please watch and subscribe my channel.